number 7, part A, they want us to graph the model. So if you type that into your calculator, and I used 30 for the x max, I used 30,000 for the y max, and D and T, and look like this, which again, the logistic functions basically all look the same in shape. For part B, it says, according to the model, what was the total number of cases when the disease was spreading at the fastest rate? Now, the inflection point of a logistic curve, so if you look back at the box talking about logistic functions, at the inflection point, that is the level of maximum growth or optimum yield level, depending on the context. And the inflection point is found by taking k and dividing it by 2. So k in this case, so let me write here, this happens at the inflection point. So this is going to be 28,000 because that's k, and divide that by 2. So that is equal to 14,000 cases. With part C, it says, when was the disease spreading at the fastest rate? So we already know how many cases there were. So if you take y2 and set it equal to this number, then we want the x value of this, or the t value of it. So if you do calc intersect, then you should get, after 7.59 months. And that'll be your answer.